Hello everyone, it's Leia here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to share with you how I edit my video using Movavi Editor Software.
Hold me close till I get out.
I've been using Movavi Editor for I think 6 months now, and I must say I am really impressed with this product. It's simple and very easy to use, especially if you are a beginner. And for small YouTubers who can't afford 300 to 600 euros for a software, I think Movavi is really good. It costs around 39 something dollar or euro, and you only have to pay it one time for the upgrade. It is free to download this editor software, but we don't want our video to have a watermark on it, so you need to upgrade it, and you can use without watermarks on your video, so it will look more professional. So without further ado, let's start. So now I'm going to teach you the basic on how to edit your video. So first thing to do is to go to this upper left side corner and click on it. This is import, and then data, and then look for the file where you saved your video, and then you have to select the video that you are going to edit. For example, I'm going to use this one, so just click on it. So I have it. and now you just have to drag it down, and then there.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Leia. Andito kami ngayon nag-shopping. So ayan, excited ako sa bagong coffee machine namin, and then ipapakita. Maggagawa tayo screen and touch screen, tapos pwede mo i-connect sa app, mayroon ding app. So you can also.
So now I want to cut this video on this part.
Branding app, so you can.
I had to cut here and then continue.
You can also
so there, and then I have to cut it. And now what you are going to do next is, I don't want this one in between this. I have to remove this. You just have to click this, and you have to make sure that when you do something like cutting or deleting, you need to click on that, and when it's already yellow, then you can click on delete. So you always have to make sure there is this yellow color, because you don't want because you don't want to delete all the videos. If this happened, for example, this and this in that way, and you only want to delete this one, then make sure that this one doesn't have this color yellow. For example, I want to delete these. They're all gone because it's all yellow color. So now it looks better. There is no pause.
App, my running app. So, pwede kang gagawa ng coffee just using your phone, or pwede coffee machine namin, and then ipapakita. Maggagawa tayo mamaya pagdating sa bahay. Gagawa tayo ng unboxing sa ating bagong coffee machine.
So, and I want to stop until here and just click cut, and then I will delete this one. So that's it, guys. And now we want to do how to adjust the volume. If you want to make it louder, just double click, and then here you can adjust the volume. We want to make it louder, so 380 is already okay.
Ito kami ngayon nag-shopping, and that's my little boy, and
we will do on this side as well, 380,
or pwede mo i-connect kay
Now we are done with cutting and the volume. What's the next thing to do is filter. If you want to adjust the color or the light of your video or style, you can use some effects on it. If you want some style, there are a lot of choices here. For example, this one, so cute, or this, right? It's pretty cool. And now I want to adjust the color because on this part looks darker. It looks dark. So I want to make it lighter, and I think this is good, and let's just try. And then just double click on this, and then let's adjust this filter, not too light. So 45 is okay, I think.
Back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, May Katlaya. Andito kami ngayon nag-shopping.
And also here we can use filter as well, and then adjust the filter. It should be balanced. So we are done with filter, and now let's move on to some effects or styling. So like this one. This is also good. But I more like this zoom in and out. So you just have to drag same like the other video for effects. So now I want to try this one here. And now let's see.
May screen and touch screen, tapos pwede mo i-connect sa app, mayroon ding app. So pwede kang gagawa ng
nice
coffee just using
like it. And now let's move on to title. If you want to put title, we'll move on here. So now you can find here, there are a lot of choices you see for titles if you want to put title on your video. And then you can also put like subtitles like this. And there are a lot of text here. Which kind of text you want, in that way or in this way. So we're gonna look for name tag. So I think I'm gonna use this one. So same with the other effects, you just have to drag it also, and then it's yellow, then you can put the name here. As what I said, you have to double click if it's not yellow, so you can put your name. And this, I think I don't need this, so I just have to delete this. And now I want to adjust the size. Always just dragging and then center. So and if you want to adjust how long will your name gonna stay on the screen, you just have to drag it on the going to the right side, or if you want it just short, then you can do just like this or longer. So let's try this one and let's see. Let's check.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, May Katlaya. Andito kami ngayon nag-shopping. And that's my little boy. And my...
So now let's gonna move on to stickers. There are a lot of choices here. There are emojis for summer, or click or like, icon or like this. And how to add background music. So I'll show you now how to add your background music, and you just have to go back to this upper left side corner and then import. But you have to see to it, guys, that the music that you're going to use for your video are non-copyright music. So you will not gonna have a problem with having a copyright claim from the other creator. And now I'm going to select which music we are going to use. I have here I saved here one of the music that I want to use for our tutorial video. So I'm going to select this music. There are a lot of non-copyright music in in YouTube. Just check it out, and yeah, and we want to adjust this the volume of this music because we want our voice can be heard, right? So
Hi guys, welcome.
So that is too loud, so we are going to adjust the volume. We can lower down as we so
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, May Katlaya. Andito kami ngayon nag-shop.
and then it's a long music, and your video is only until here. Then you should cut this music, and then the rest you have to delete it. Otherwise it won't stop. And it's all black, but only music, right? So you have to cut it and delete. And now we are ready.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, May Katlaya. Andito kami ngayon nag-shopping. And that's my little boy. Pwede mo i-connect sa app, mayroon ding app. So, pwede kang gagawa ng coffee just using your phone.
So now we are done. The next thing to do, the final thing to do is to click on export and then type this project, like for example blog 2, and then the rest you just let it and start. And also I set it with MP4. So start. So now it's done. You can already upload the video on your YouTube channel. So that's it, guys. We are done, and thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or suggestions, just send your comments on my video. And on my next video, I am going to share with you how I make my intro. And I hope to see you then on my next video. Have a great day. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I